SOLIDWORKS Sheet Metal 2024 has some enhancements to the tab and slot tool, an easy way to create stamp features on the fly, and a new way to turn cylindrical and conical shapes into sheet metal. We're going to start with the cargo carrier assembly and highlight some of the existing tabs and slots, the indentions in the base plate, and the reflectors on the side of the trailer. First, let's use the R key to bring up recent documents and switch to a starter version of this cargo liner. To show off something from a recent release, we can hover over the base plate and hit the Q key. That's going to bring up all the reference geometry and make it easy to select the front plane. We'll use this to mirror the components to the right side. Now we want to show the propagation of these slots. This will add the slots to the adjacent component. The same function also exists in the linear pattern tool, but also in a right-click menu if you add the component manually. Now to the new stamp tool. If you've ever created or used a forming tool, you'd find the new stamp tool a bit easier. We open the base plate in a separate window. We'll select Sketch 2 and use the command. Now we just type in all of our dimensions on the fly. Instead of pre-creating a form feature, we can create whatever the dimensions at this particular situation require. We'll need 2 more of these, so we use a sketch-driven pattern to finish things up. Now on to the changes to the rip feature. The rip command can now create rips on cylindrical parts that do not yet have a gap. To be clear, this is just an extrusion with a simple sketch point to locate the rip. Once we start, notice the new instructions in the Property Manager. We can now use a cylindrical edge or a cylindrical or conical face. Select the outside edge and then the point to locate the gap. We can control the gap with a distance or angle. So how about 2 millimeters? Make it symmetric. The offset options let you move the rip gap around the point of the circumference away from the original sketch point. Next, we use the Insert Bend command to pick one of the inside edges. Let's switch over to the taillight mount part. From new options in the tab and slot command to new ways to create form features and enhancements to the rip command, SOLIDWORKS Sheet Metal 2024 gives us some great new tools to get our sheet metal jobs done faster and easier.